wake up early in the morning. In the bathroom I brush my teeth. Turn on the news, there's a chance of precipitation. In my mind I'm thinking that it might be raining outdoors. If it rains and I can't play or go outside like I want to, oh, look at the window when I notice some condensation. As water trickles down, I realize I can't go outside anymore. Cause now I can't play outside cause it is pouring. Inside it's not fun, it is really boring. Now I have to sit inside and find something to do, all because of the rain, 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 yeah. Now that I know it is raining, I need to find something to do. Ooh, maybe I can play some Xbox or PlayStation. Man, just thinking about it, I'm gonna be so bored. Afraid I won't be able to find something to stand under, man. If I mess up my hair, I'll lose my mind. I have to stay dry, 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 dry. I really hate this season. I'm begging and pleading for the sun to shine. Cause there is no sunlight outside cause it's raining. My car is washed for free cause it is raining. And if this rain does fall, my hair will do the same. And I will look lame if I go in the rain, rain, stay inside? Should I go outside? I really hate this season. I'm begging and pleading for the sun to shine. Now I can't play outside because it's pouring. Inside is not fun, it is really boring. And if the rain does fall, my hair will do the same. And I will look lame if I go in the rain, rain, rain.
What's up, man?
You were singing about rain.
Oh, my bad.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe to these 3 channels right here. If you didn't like it. Anyways, this was a viewer requested video, so if you have any parodies you'd like to see or spoofs, go ahead and leave them in the comment below. Maybe you might see them come to life. Till next time, peace.